We will also connect this resource controller with the CMS page model as well. Okay, so let's start. Let's follow these steps that I have already written here, and you can find these steps under video description as well. Okay, so first step is to create the resource controller. So this is the command that we are going to create the resource controller inside admin CMS controller. We are going to create as the resource controller, and along with that we will also connect it with the CMS page model as well. Okay, so we are going to run this command now, and for our project, this artisan command. So after running this artisan command, CMS controller gets created. See, open this CMS controller, you can find all the functions get automatically created, and also this CMS page model is get connected with this CMS controller as well. Okay, so after that, we are going to create this route, CMS pages route. See, we are going to show all these CMS pages inside here. Here we are going to add the CMS pages as well, and we are going to show all the CMS pages. So for that, we are going to add its route to show these CMS pages. Okay, so I'm going to add this route inside web.php file. uh, Inside the admin, we can show this one here, CMS pages. We can show it separately. Okay, so we can, yeah, it's fine. So after that, see, one more thing. See, don't forget to include this CMS controller at the top, like we have included the admin controller as well. We need to include the CMS controller as well. Okay, so now we are going to create this function, index function. See, index function is already created. We just required to fill it with this code, in which we are going to fetch all CMS pages from the CMS page model, and we are going to return these CMS pages in the CMS underscore pages blade file that we are going to create right now inside our project. Okay, in XAMPP docs, and this is our project 11 folder, resources, views, admin. Under admin we are going to create one file. Okay, that pages, view admin pages folder, we are going to create a new folder, and that will be pages, and inside this pages folder we are going to create one file, cms underscore pages dot blade dot php file. Okay, I am going to run the command touch command in Mac. Otherwise you can simply create the file inside Windows. Okay, cms underscore pages dot blade dot php file, cms underscore pages dot blade dot php file. So this is the file that you are going to create inside this folder pages, and I'm going to bring this file here in Sublime. Okay, so it gets open in Sublime. So I am going to copy its structure from any of the other file, like the dashboard file. I'm going to copy this complete and we'll paste it here. After that, see, upper structure and just the main content I'm going to remove from here, that I'm going to copy from our template. Okay, so other than this, we are going to replace this dashboard with the pages management. Okay, here I'm going to make it like the pages management, and here as well home, and here as well we can make it pages management as well. Or what we can do, we can open some other module like the dashboard. We can see here it's not updated. We can open the update password module as well. Here, like the admin management home update password, here we can keep it like pages management home, and CMS page. Here we can make it like the CMS pages. Now it looks perfect. Okay, so the table structure we can copy from our template. Okay, so template, this is the template admin LTE template that we have downloaded in the earlier part of the series, and in the video description you can find that we can check for this data.html file that is located inside the pages and tables, pages and then tables. Inside tables, there is the file data.html. We are going to bring this file here so that we can copy the data that we required. Okay, I'm going to open this file so that you will get you will get an idea that from which particular content you are required to copy. So you can see here that we can copy this particular content. This is the first one. we can copy. Okay, so what I am going to do here, in the description I have also written that this one card body, I'm going to search for this one card body or card header. Okay, so I can simply search for here, and this main content, I'm going to pick this main content here from here, and will paste here. Okay, in this location. Okay, so I'm going to open this one now, and we'll see that how it looks. Okay, CMS pages, and you can see that we able to copy it in a perfect way. Okay, so now we can work further. uh, See, right at the top we will check that where we need to add, and now in the code as well. See, first thing is title. We will replace the title, this title with the CMS pages. Okay, as we are going to show the CMS pages here. And now the table structure we are going to update here. Okay, see, ID we are going to replace with our ID, CMS pages ID, and here the th, all the th we are going to replace it with the table, that title, url, created on, and actions that we require here. Okay, and now we are going to start the for each loop inside the t body. Okay, so inside the t body we are going to start the for each loop, because see, we are going to loop this tr, and here we are going to end this for each loop as well. And middle content, we are going to show all the middle content here. Td, this one we are going to add it on. Okay, so this first three tds we are going to add here. One is for title, another one for url, and then for career add, and the last td we are going to keep it empty for now. And other trs we are not required, so that we must remove. There are too many. Okay, so we are going to remove all these tr like this. Okay, so this t foot also we are not required, so we can remove. And another card we can remove it as well. Now we can see that we able to show the data here or not. Just refresh, and here you can see the CMS pages, title, url, and created on, or the data is coming here perfectly. Okay, and the actions are not coming because we have not added so far. So we are going to add the actions as well. These three actions we are going to add here. Okay, and I'm going to copy these three actions and will paste it here inside this td. So I'm going to explain you that what these actions will do, but this functionality we are going to add later on. See, I'm going to refresh here, and here you can see the icons, three icons we have added. This font have some icons we have added: edit, delete, and status. Okay, edit is for editing the CMS page, delete is for the deleting the CMS page, and this one to make the CMS page active or inactive. Okay, so we have also added the condition here that if CMS page status is 1, then it means that it is active. We are going to show here the active icon, and if it is inactive, then we are going to show here the inactive icon. Its functionality, we are going to work on this functionality later on, but right now we will also add the data table. See, our template includes the data table, but we need to add the data table classes. Okay, a data table js files we are required to add in layout.bay.php file, and here we are required to add the data table files. These are the data table files we are required to add. And the last one is to call the data table for CMS pages. So this complete scripts we are going to add here in the layout.bay.php file, and here you can see that all the files belongs to the data table. See, all these files are there in our plugins folder, admin plugins folder. Okay, but we are not using them now. We are going to use them as well, and also we are going to call the data table for this CMS pages ID that we have used for these CMS pages. Okay, so now I'm going to see that the data table must get integrated. Yes, the data table is now working. You can see the show the number of pages that we can check in one page. Here the search has also come up, like we can search for here, it will work fine perfectly. About us, then only about us page it is going to show. or any other keyword that we will type here, it will automatically show here, and the pagination as well is added. So this star table has been added, has been inserted for the CMS pages as well. Okay, so now we are going to show the CMS pages at the left sidebar as well. We have not added, so under pages management we are going to add the CMS pages as well. So I'm going to copy this complete code and will add at the left sidebar. So I'm going to open that sidebar.bay.php file. After the admin management, here I'm going to add this one for pages management. Okay, so first condition is just for the CMS pages. Here we are going to make it active if the admin opens the pages management module. Okay, so here we need to add here the session value. This session value we are going to add here right at the beginning. Okay, so that we can able to highlight it as well. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it and we'll see. Okay, so once again we need to add here the session as well in CMS controller. Here simply add this session, and now we are going to check it once again. And here you can see that we able to select the CMS pages and also pages management if we open the pages management module. Okay, and we are going to add this session value in all the modules like edit. In edit as well we are going to open this one as well. Okay, and in add CMS page as well. Okay, so that we are going to work on in the next videos. And here you can see that it's we are going to highlight it as well. Okay, in a perfect way. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.